Hey everyone, I'm Cheeezy Pete. I'm so excited you've come to join me and my best mate, Gary. Yay! Oh, Gary, it's so good to have you here.
Me too, Cheeezy.
Who said that? Oh well, Gary, you go sit in the corner. Because today, we're making my favourite dough! There's so many types of dough. There's dough for bread, which we eat our toast with. And then there's cookie dough. Cookie. But then there's my favourite type of dough. Play-Doh! It's great! Now there's a few different ingredients we'll need, and we're going to need Mum or Dad's help as well. We need 1 cup of salt. We need 2 cups of flour and water. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. First, we're going to need a big bowl. Look at this bowl. It's so shiny. We'll also need some salt. Flour. Flour's important with dough. But I didn't get this from the garden. I got this from the shops. We also need some cream of tartar. I don't know what that is, but I know we need it. We also need to put some cooking oil in there. I've chosen olive oil. We also need some water. So I've poured water in my blue jug and I'm thirsty. So I brought a glass.
Great job, Cheeezy!
Water is so good for you.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Oh, I don't think I could drink any more water. But I could go to the potty. We need a 1 cup measuring cup. This cup measures 1 cup. We also need a spoon that tells us 1 tablespoon. And it also helps to have some drying towels. And I have a blue one and I have a yellow one because I like blue and yellow. Did you know that? Let's get started in making our Play-Doh, my favourite type of dough. First we have our bowl. In the bowl we need 2 cups of plain flour. Oh, try not to make a mess. Can't promise you that, Mum.
Great job, Cheeezy!
We've got 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of flour. That's 2 cups of flour. We have 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 2, 3, and 4. That's all we need. Thanks, Tata. We also need 1 cup of salt.
Great job, Cheeezy!
This might take a while. doing a great job, salt container. I can't let a single grain drop. So close. We've almost made it to 1 cup of salt. Some things just can't be rushed. We did it! 1 cup of salt!
Great job, Cheeezy!
Now we need 2 cups of water. 1, 2. There we go. 2 tablespoons of that. This Play-Doh doesn't look very fun to play with.
Oh no, Cheeezy!
But that's only because we have the most exciting part of Play-Doh. Using our hands,
Wow.
we get to mix all the ingredients together.
Wow!
Let's do it! I think I'll just use one hand in case I need this hand. Ooh. It's all wet. Oh, gross, but fun. This Play-Doh is just so much fun already!
Oh no, Cheeezy!
No. But with this next part, we're going to need a parent or a big helper. We now need to go put this onto the stove in a pan first so it can heat for around 3 to 8 minutes or until the mixture congeals. Congeals! Congeals! Ooh, congeals! Well, how exciting is this? We're ready to colour our Play-Doh! Woo-wee! I've got blue
Wow!
because, well, I love blue. I've got some green. I
Wow.
think green's pretty cool too. I've got some rose pink. I
Wow.
don't have yellow. I'm going to try something different with some of the extra. I'm going to try putting some turmeric.
Wow!
It does turn other things yellow, like this.
Great
Now,
job,
the thing with
Cheeezy!
colouring is you don't need a lot of it to be effective. Make a little cup. Put a few drops. Oh, that was probably more than I was ready for, but that's okay. And start squishing it in. Wow, there we go. My hands are going to become blue soon, but that's okay. I love blue! Mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix. And mix and mix.
Mix.
I did it! We have blue going to try some turmeric. Not a lot, just a little bit. It's kind of a little yellow already, so we'll just see what happens. I've still got some blue on my hands. It's going a little bit yellow, but I don't think it's going as yellow as food colouring would make it yellow, but that's okay because it's still so great. There we go! I now have some yellow Play-Doh. Next, I'm going to put some green colouring. Just a drop there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Mix it all together, mix it all together, mix it all together, so it goes green. Mix it all together, mix it all together. Mix, 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 mix it all together.
Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Mix it all together. Smush and smush together. Smush and smush together.
And for my last colour, I'm going to put some pink colouring in. Pink!
Wow!
Now, mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. My hands are starting to look like a rainbow.
Oh no, Cheezy!
Now I've got pink Play-Doh too. We've got pink Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, and yellow Play-Doh. Look at all these colours. They're great. Yellow around it.
Thanks for having so much fun with me.
I need
It
some
was
more.
Play-Doh-rific. Remember to like and subscribe so you make sure you see the next episode where we get to play with the Play-Doh. Woo-wee! Don't forget, when Mum or Dad ask what do you want to watch, just say...
Cheezy!